just off to another graveyard before, just down the road to go with this church. We've been here before, but I thought as we see a little thing on John Milne the other day down at the alleyway in the last video, I thought we'd come and pay respects to him again up at the graveyard. It's John Milne, DSFRS, who was born on the 30th of December 1850 and fell asleep July 31st, 1913. Professor of Mining, Geology, Seismology, the Imperial University of Japan. His genius, enthusiasm and devotion to the work which he loved made seismology an international science. So yeah, he invented the upright seismograph machine for earthquakes, so people in Japan, America, all know about them. We get them everywhere here, but we don't get them that much. But yeah, so I thought I'd pay a visit to John Milne. Thank you, sir. Rest in peace. Hi, and welcome to the next episode of Cemetery Strolls. Today we are at St Paul's Cemetery in Newport, which is just up the road from the church where we just visited John Milne. This Lynch Gate. There's a memorial here for somebody, a young lady by the looks of it. Rest in peace, young lady. Obviously not long been her birthday. We'll go down this side and then we'll come back up the other side. What I am going to do today is I've now started to bring some Union Jacks flags to go on to the war graves to make sure that they're not forgotten. So we might as well start with our first one here. Right, we have 1316928 aircraftman second class JRH Fairweather UT pilot Royal Air Force 29th of April 1942 age 21. Thank you for your service. What we'll do is we'll stick it in here and someone can then put it how they want it. The ground's soft, but if we stick it in there we know. Thank you for your service, sir. You have another one. This is 5492655 Lance Bombardier EW Lillywhite Royal Artillery 23rd of April 1944 age 31. Thank you for your service, sir. A lot of these we can't see because they seem to be under moss. They're all under the trees. There we go. We've got Alice Olive May Curlin, passed away 30th August 1941. So that's just coming up now, her anniversary. And then William Curlin, MM, military medal, passed away 23rd of September 1942, buried in Bari War Cemetery, Italy. So he's obviously on the Italian African front. So we're going to leave a flag for William as well, I think. Trees growing out of this one. Roses. Got there, got in loving memory of Mabel Thompson, 1904 to 1991, and also her father Arthur Cousins, 1881 to 1943. Remembrance of Bertie and Kathleen Guster, and to the treasured memory of Kathleen Ridgway, 1924 to 1988. People have been leaving rocks for her, or stones. But you see Augusta up there, so it does sound like an island name, I think, but I'm just looking that way, and if you look right there, you can see the hedgehog path going in through. Here we've got one. Loving memory of Clara Watson, who died May the 8th, 1948, age 82, and also her daughter Ellen Buckland, who died the 15th of May 1985, age 93. And there's even a picture of her there. Don't see many of these, with pictures on down this way. This one underneath the tree here, but there was a lady there at the time, so I didn't want to disturb. Right, in loving memory of John Hayden Asquith, formerly vicar of Christchurch Ramsgate, who died 18th of March 1934, aged 74. And Adelaide Mary, wife of the above, who died 23rd of July 1946, age 87. And Herb, their youngest son, who died 17th of August 1948, age 44. That's lovely, I do like this. I think it's granite. This must be their little wilderness section here. Got no intentions of climbing through there to, conservation area. They've got a little board there. Looks like a lot of people walking through it. This one over here, let's see if we can read all this. Like Sydney Arthur Fleet, Surrey yeoman, who passed away at the RV Hospital, Netley, April the 26th, 1918, of wounds received in France, 8025. Thank you for your service, sir. Favourite tree, the oak tree. The acorns all going. Don't worry, don't worry, Nadia. I've got your acorns, they're coming. We've got here, in loving memory of her lovely baby sister and daughter, Denise Rosemary Pritchard, fell asleep in 1954 at 3 weeks. Bless. Rest in peace, little angel. Lovely little stuff on there. She's not forgot. People still come by the looks of it, visit her. Here we have in loving memory Walter Hacker, who fell asleep on the 21st of July 1962, aged 51. Remembering our dear mum Violet Louise Hacker, died November 19th, 2003. We've got another Commonwealth War grave. This is 5502-303, Private A.F. Wolf, the Hampshire Regiment, 16th of June 1941, age 22. Thank you for your service, sir. And this little one here, it's Melvin L. Davis, 87 months, 1940. Rest in peace, little one. It seems like there was a lot of children here, maybe. There's some small ones. Francis John Cook died 26th of February 1941. Let's see if we can read this. Frank Reynolds, Buckbury Staplers, 1857 to 1936. Also Lucy, his wife, 1858 to 1938, and Dora, their beloved daughter, DC 31st, 1925. And here we have another war memorial. We have 6188 Lance Corporal J. Clark, Suffolk Regiment, 12th of August 1914, age 29. Thank you for your service, sir. And also buried with him, also thinking of Mary Clark, died 21st of February 2014, age 98. I take it that's either possibly be his sister, no doubt, I think. There's another in memory of Charles Clark. In loving memory of Charles Clark, died 9th of February 1981, aged 70. A lot of these are unrecognisable, but I'm going to do my best. I seem to be in the 40s area here at the moment, 1940s. Obviously, there's new ones here as well. In loving memory of a dear mother, grandmother, Ethel Rose Bleakins, who passed away 23rd of June 1983, age 85. And in memory of her daughter Peggy, who passed away 23rd of September 1939, age 21. That's a different one. Not Art Deco. Can't read nothing on it, but definitely a bit of Art Deco-ness to it. But underneath this tree. Can't really read that one. Helping the wildlife here as well. Lovely to see. Gustar. In loving memory of my dear husband Walter Gustar, who peacefully passed away 27th of December 1939, aged 54, at rest. Lovely flower. I'll just read the top one. It's in loving memory of Arthur Harold Cooley, born the 2nd of May 1921 and died the 20th of June 1961. Got another one of our war heroes. Let's see if I can get in and get it, because the sun's on me. It's Harold W. Arnold. Not sure what that A stroke O A4 PM 928901 HMS Royal Arthur, 14th of October 1959, age 21. I'll check this one out, I think. Thank you for your service, sir. Thank you for your service, sir. Got a few here. Remembering always Andrew John Jennings, taken from us suddenly, September the 28th, 1979, age 17. Also now got another bunch of Gusters. Loving memory, dear husband, father and granddad, Jack Guster, who died February the 22nd, 1980, age 66. And loving memory of dear mother, grand and great grandmother, Ivy Guster, who died April 16th, 2009, age 96. In loving memory of Richard Percy Mew, died the 15th of July, 1960, age 91. Also Margaret, his beloved wife, 21st of October. Well, it says 71, but it doesn't say what year. So this is Eric Arnold Slater, AMICE, and CYE. Borough engineer, died April the 26th, 1937. Well, let's see if we can find something out. See if I can move this stuff a sec. I don't want to tread in it because borough engineer into the hands of a magnificent creator. Here, we'll check him out. Violet Rose Tibbles, born 19th of December 1908 and died 28th of March 1987, and memory of James Edward Tibbles, born 29th of June 1906 and died the 1st of February 1988. We've got one here. It says Julia Clapp. She died November the 25th, 1914. Edwarda, her sister, who died February the something 1915, aged 85. And daughter of the late Reverend John Clapp, rector of Colston in Wiltshire. Wow. All sisters by the looks of it. Rest in peace, ladies. We've got another one here just hidden right on the edge of the conservation area. So have a look. It's loving memory of John Foster, who died December 17th, 1920, aged 73. Also his wife, Clara Henrietta, who died February 11th, 1915, aged 67. Also their son, John Graham Foster, who died April the 3rd, 1955, and his wife, Hetty Hilda Foster, who died August the 22nd, 1973. There's a nice family grave in there. This is the other side of the wilderness bit. Try not to get the sun in our eyes, but the good thing is the rest of it is lovely and tidy. It's old. It's an old cemetery. But, right, we've got two war graves here. We've got 9449, Corporal G.H. Hobbs, Hampshire Regiment, 7th of October 1917, aged 21. Thank you for your service, sir. Thank you for your service, sir. We have another one, which also, this one's got a little memory pebble and poppy. And we have got 33746 Private P.A. Eldridge, Hampshire Regiment, 20th of November 1918, aged 22. Thank you for your service, sir. Thank you for your service, sir. In memory of our dear mother, Matilda S. Snellgrove, who passed away 23rd of February 1952, aged 92. I think that might be a bit of a deco look to it. It's nice. But a wooden cross here. Obviously used to be an unmarked grave. This is Herbert Hiscock, 1872 to 1922. That there reminds me, apart from being white, reminds me of Dylan Thomas's grave. Bigger cross, weighted, all nice and white. Just found this one, Gertrude Bertha Carder, a much loved mother-in-law, born Berlin, Germany, 1914, fled Hitler's persecution in 1939 and died on the Isle of Wight in 1998. I won't show the rest of the family graves, they're quite modern, but I thought that was nice. Just know that she has fled the persecution of the Nazis and finished her life on the Isle of Wight. It is a beautiful place. You have got James Albert Gibson, MD, DPH, born September the 16th, 1865, and died October the 12th, 1924. His wife, Lillian, is buried, but I can't see that. Here we got in ever loving memory of Edward William Way, born November the 10th, 1874, and died September the 27th, 1949. And his beloved wife Grace, born July the 19th, 1873, and died May the 27th, 1949. And also Phyllis Grace Sumner Wilson, their daughter, born June the 4th, 1905, and died September the 12th, 1960. We've got another beautiful cross, small, but it's still beautiful, the craftsmanship. And this is Kenneth Edward Bruce, of Cleveland Staplers, who died at Wallingford, October the 15th, 1921, aged 20. Oh, rest in peace. Young life taken. I don't see much. I know it's full snow. Yeah. Looks like a baby's one as well. In memory of the dearest memory of our beloved Christopher John Tuck, whom Jesus called October the 8th, 1956, age 7. Winifred J. Basterfield died October the 20th, 1957, age 65. And Dad, December the 7th, 1970. I do like these ones. Frederick George Dimmitt, who passed away May the 24th, 1956, age 59. Emily Plaskett Brown died December 1924, age 37. Augusta Cullen, Borderlands House, 1926, age 71. Can't get much of it because it's, it has faded. Needs a bit of paint on them. Maybe just to get the letters there. A lot of these letters are off. Can't even see what's here. We've got George William Hill, died February 1954, age 7. Oh, no, more than 7 by the looks of it. And his wife, Mary Ann, who died 28th, age 89. So he died 70 odd. Quite a natural one. It's a new one by the looks of it. Yeah, it's got old and new in it. Unfortunately, we've got a load falling here. But at least they're not just thrown about, they're placed where they are. Right, let's see what we can get under here. Love and memory of George Hayward, who passed away at Staplers, August the 15th, 1929. This is tilted, this one, so I'm being careful, obviously not to. Love and memory of Florence Ann Berry, who died 27th of March, 1910, age 63. You've got love and memory of Charles William Crude, who died the 15th of November 1930, age 78. Also Fanny's wife, who died 25th of August 1937, age 79. So that's her anniversary just gone of her death. George Henry Kemp, who passed away January 26, 1981, age 72. In remembrance of Frederick Daniel Shields, born 7th of September 1858, at rest on the 4th of April 1927, and his wife Jenny, born 16th of March 1860, and at rest January the 7th, 1934. I'm not sure what this one is, but there is some stones underneath it, but no writing, but it's nice. Somebody's marked it still. In loving memory of our dear son George Bertram Osborne, who died August the 16th, 1936, age 16. Bless. A lot of children in this one for such a small graveyard as well. Or cemetery, sorry, we're in the cemetery. We have another of our fallen. 40776, Corporal W.J. Nobbs, Royal Air Force, 17th of February 1943, age 58. Thank you for your service, sir. Thank you for your service, sir. Mary Elizabeth Boardman, 31st of July 1901 to 2nd of May 1979, and also William Boardman, son and vicar of the parish, Rural Dean of West White, 1963 to 1986, who died 3rd of May 1996, aged 75. And then we got another memory of Lillian Edith Plumley, who died the 5th of September 1971, aged 76, and also her loving husband, George Plumley, who passed away the 23rd of January 1979. Got a wonderful mother and father, Daisy Blanche Cousins, born 29th of June 1897 and died 28th of January 1996, just short of her 100th birthday, well, 99th birthday. And then Charles James Cousins, born 24th of March 1896 and died 18th of April 1985, age 89. Reunited with their loving daughter Brenda Doreen Cousins, born the 24th of September 1927 and died 1st of January 1938, age 10. So many who literally just can't read. Get behind this bush here and see what we can get. William John Cheverton, beloved husband of Eileen Jessie Cheverton, who passed away March the 9th, 1905, age 54. The craftsmanship, I do love it. They put so much effort into them. Elizabeth Salter, wife of Alfred Salter. I can't really read much of that actually. We're now coming up into the old section, I think, by the looks of it. This looks like a little small one. Let's see if we can. Loving memory of Harry, the beloved son of W.N.S. Ratcliffe of Lee, Lancashire, fell asleep 21st of April, 25th of April, 1915. It's 2 years. Bless. So we've got rabbits here or something. God, this is obviously a child's grave. Precious memories of our darling Billy, who fell asleep 17th of June 1944, aged 7 years. And Charlie, Billy's uncle, who fell asleep January the 14th, 1925, aged 6. Bless. We've got here Chrissy Josephine Cooper, fell asleep 4th of November 1935, aged 15 years. And then also Edward Cooper, who died 4th of April 1950 something, aged 7. Yes. Like I say, there are so many children in this graveyard, this cemetery. This here is in memory of Elizabeth Grace Dapper, killed by enemy action April 7th, 1943, age 19. Oh, bless you. I'm going to give you a flag, actually. I think she deserves a flag. She lost her life for our freedom. This is one that just caught my eye. Lester Frank Morgan Simmons died suddenly 12th of April 1995, age 74, and reunited forever with Violet Simmons, died the 22nd of June 2011, aged 101. Much love, mum, wife, and nanny. No doubt a great grandparent and probably a great great grandparent. Wow, 101. Well, I think that is it now for me in here. It is very unreadable. So I'm going to say thank you muchly for joining me on this lovely summer's day again. Not so breezy this time. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. I answer all the comments. So thank you for coming along. Don't forget, keep strolling. Goodbye.